How to fix Windows Update error 0x80245002. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. It works by automatically detecting and fixing problems that could be preventing updates from installing properly. After testing, turn on. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, malware can interfere with Windows Update. Running a malware scan can detect and remove any malicious software.